every visitor to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is going to love the most epic attraction we've ever built, Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. This attraction invites you to be a recruit of the Resistance to stand up against the First Order. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get into a spaceship that's going to take off from this planet to go rendezvous with the rest of the Resistance. We find ourselves actually being taken captive by the First Order as we make an action-packed escape off of this Star Destroyer, coming face-to-face with stormtroopers, X-Wings, TIE fighters, massive laser cannons, lightsabers and droids, and even Kylo Ren himself. And if we make it back in one piece, we'll be celebrated as heroes of the Resistance.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to...
This outpost is in danger from the First Order. Thank you for joining the cause, and may the Force be with us.